Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use Wave with PayPal transactions. Wave does not support direct PayPal integration, but you can record PayPal sales and fees manually via, or you can use a CSV import. A couple of ways to do it. The first option is manual recording. And when you receive a PayPal payment, just go to accounting and then to transactions. There, just click add income, and then you can record the gross amount as income. Add a separate expense entry for PayPal transaction fees, and be sure to categorize correctly. That is sales income, payment processing fees. The second option is CSV import from PayPal. Log into PayPal and download your activity report as a CSV. And then in Wave, go to transactions, upload a bank statement, and then import the CSV and categorize each item accordingly. A tip for streamlining: create custom categories for PayPal sales and PayPal fees. If PayPal is linked to your bank accounts, match the payouts to bank deposits in Wave just to avoid duplication. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.